Wait, are you seeing what I am? I cannot believe my eyes. No way. I actually saw this today. Alright, what's up guys? Today we're gonna be going car spotting. You don't really see too many things that are like worth, you know, for videos like this, but you know what? I'm gonna stop talking. Let's just get into the video. Yeah, I hope that I can actually see something. Okay, will I ever get to go? Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. What cars will we see today, guys? Are we gonna see Bugatti? Are we gonna see Bugatti? We could only wish. Ew, that's an ugly vehicle. Okay, okay, you ready? Watch it, watch it. We're coming up on an ugly vehicle. Dude, bro, it's a Yukon. It means you cannot lift it. Like, come on. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. I have a lot of energy today. Energy equals high expectations, so if we don't see anything here soon, I'm finna crash out. Hey, you see me driving. I'm driving. A lot of energy today. Probably the first video that I have energy in. Okay, okay. Oh my god, he whipping. He whipping harder than I do. So you guys, you don't need that horsepower to be whipping, okay? You just seen him back there, he was whipping it. You know what? I'm having high hopes today. I will go around in circles until I find something. I have a rock in my tire and it's bothering me hearing that tick, 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 tick sound. My worst thought comes, it's a nail. Oh god, I'm gonna have to patch the tire and I can't do burnouts because then I'm afraid that the tire's gonna pop. There's a dude with a camera on my head, you know, you see it. I don't know if you see it in the rearview mirror or not, but I do. Look, I'm a dude with the camera on my head with one dream, and that one dream is to see something nice. Where's all the old cars at? I want to see an old car. A nice old car. I want to see a new car too. I want to see both. Man, we were patrolling. This is my second time just going around my little city. Now, I wouldn't even call a city, it's a town. Oh, we just spotted something nice. My prayers were answered. Look at it. I don't know what it is. I actually have no idea what that is. It looks nice. I don't know what that is. If any of y'all know what that is, put it in the comments. I ain't gonna lie, that sun kind of blinded me. See, car guys right now would see that sun and find the best spot for pictures. But me, I don't know good spots. I don't know what kind of car that was, but that car was pretty nice. It was pretty old, but yeah. God actually answered my prayers. I said, let me just see an old car. And it gave me such an old car that I couldn't even tell you what it was. You know, it'd be really nice for like car spotting would be putting my camera on top of the hood. Not hood, but like up here, the roof. And getting an actual good mic to put by the turbos and the exhaust. Yes, I know it looks like y'all are re-seeing the same footage. I'm telling you, this place is small. Like, it takes about 8 minutes to go around it. Give me a green light. Please give me a green light. If I kind of like touch my car like this, I get green light. It's not working. It usually works. Like, it's kind of making me mad. I told you it would work. Told you it would work. Totally didn't have to wait like 10 extra seconds. This video is sponsored though. This video is sponsored by me. You know, like imagine this is a subscribe button. I'm not good at editing, so this is a subscribe button, you know. If you subscribe, bro, it helps me out. When I get famous, should I forget my day ones? That should be a poll, how you say it, you know, like the vote thing. I literally couldn't do that, but it's just a funny joke. All right, I got something cooking for y'all. You know what? Something a little interesting, something cooking up right here. Just wait and watch. Just watch it. This deserves a roll down window for me. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh God, that was fun. my god, is that a Porsche? A GT3911? I'm gonna have no engine. Luckily though, I have a warranty till 60,000 miles. So no engine. If I get it gone before then, I get a brand new, technically no mile car. Well look, I think this is the end of the video. If you remember that sponsor from earlier, here, let me do it again. If you remember that sponsor from earlier, imagine that subscribe button and this is you clicking it. So if I don't get like 2 subscribers off this, 2 is all I ask. I'm never doing a sponsor again. Appreciate y'all watching. For the ones that watched to the end, even though like 10% of y'all watched to the end, I'm grateful for that. I'm grateful.